everyone, welcome back to our ABAP Dictionary. In this section, we are going to understand type groups in SAP ABAP and then see how the same type group is reused in an ALV report that displays data from material table. The main goal of this section is to understand how type groups help us define the data types centrally and how those data types are reused across multiple programs, especially in ALV reports. Before we understand why type groups are needed, let us first understand what a type group is. In SAP ABAP, a type group is an object in ABAP Dictionary that is used to define global data type in one central place. A type group can contain custom data types, structure, constants. These definitions are stored outside program inside the ABAP Dictionary. Once a type group is created and activated, its data types can be used in any ABAP program by including it using the type pool statement. In simple terms, a type group acts like a shared library of data definition that can be reused across programs. This helps us write cleaner code, consistent data structure, easily maintainable programs. Why type groups are needed? In ABAP development, we often use the same data definition in many different programs. If these data types are defined separately inside each program, it leads to code duplication. Maintenance also become difficult because even small changes must be done in multiple places. To solve this problem, SAP provides type groups. A type group allows us to define data types once in the ABAP dictionary and then reuse them across multiple programs. This improves reusability, consistency, and maintainability of our code. Now, let's see how to create a type group. To create a type group, we go to transaction code SC11. On the ABAP dictionary screen, we select the type group radio button and enter the name ZMAT1. Remember, the type group name must not exceed 5 characters. We click create, give a short description and save. Now we define data types inside the type group. First, we write the type pool statement followed by the type definition. Type pool ZMAT1. Each data types start with the type group name followed by an underscore mandatory. Now we define a structure inside the type group. After this, we save, check and active the type group. Now our type group is ready. Next, we go to transaction code SC38 and create an executable program. Example program name ZMAT program. Click create. Inside the program, the first step is to include the type group using type pools. This makes all data types from the type group available in the program. Now, we declare the standard SAP material tables, MARA and MACT. Here is the most important rule. We do not define the structure again in the program. We reuse the structure from the type group. This ensures centralized and reusable data definitions. Now, we fetch data from the MARA and MAC tables using an inner join. The material description is restricted using the logo language, so only relevant text is retrieved. Next, we build the ALV field catalog. The field catalog controls how the columns appears in the ALV output. For each field, we set the field name and meaningful column heading. Once the field catalog is ready, we display the data using the ALV grid. Instead of using write statements, ALV provides a professional and user-friendly output with the features like sorting and filtering. When the program is executed, data is displayed in ALV grid format. Proper columns heading are shown. Sorting and filterings are available. All data types come from the type group. Let's quickly summarize the key takeaways from this section. Type group stores reusable data type definitions. They are defined once in the ABAP dictionary and reused across program using type tools. Structure should be defined only inside the type groups, not repeatedly in programs. Any changes in the type group is automatically reflected wherever it is used. And finally, ALV helps us present data in a clean, functional and interactive way. That is for this section. Thank you for watching and we will continue with the next concept in upcoming video.